Hallelujah. Victory 2023. It's another year, another day, another moment to celebrate our own father, my own father, the restoration apostle Johnson Sunema on your birthday. That day, we want to thank God for answering the call. We want to thank God for your life. We want to thank God upon the grace of God upon your life. We want to thank you for your evangelistic ministry that is touching the entire globe. That you are a blessing. We want to use opportunity on behalf of my family, Omega Fire Ministry, Maryland, and the entire DMV to wish you a happy birthday celebration. Daddy, it is your moment, it is your time. We celebrate you, we love you, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Omega Fire Ministry, Maryland, USA. We want to wish our Father in the Lord happy birthday. Papa, we love you. God bless you. Hallelujah. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. God bless you. God bless you.